what was being requested, and I apologize for the high hissing noise in the video, but the system that was being requested falls under medical problems. So there's nothing really to be built here. It's just showing you how to utilize the medical problems which are in the patient's chart, which is associated with the ICD-10s. So when you go into a patient's medical record and you select Edit Medical Problems, you will see a list of medical problems with the system, or that can be recorded in the system. As you can see, that these are associated with ICD-10s. These ICD-10s can be pulled into the SOAP node. Okay, so to use this particular section here, of course, click on Medical Problems and then click on Add Medical Problem. And from here, you can see where you'll have an active list of codes, and of course these can be activated and deactivated according to their status. And as you can see, I clicked on this one and it filled a box here because I clicked on both of them. But if I'm going to choose a new code, I would click on the box and then find a new code. Let me cancel this for a moment. Close that. Alright, so if I'm going to be recording a new code, as you can see out on the left here under title, where it has sleep apnea and headaches, you can give it a title, and the title is completely free text, so it's up to you how you're going to title it, but of course you can also title it like the ICD-10 as well. And in this case, I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do. I can't think of something at the moment. Oh, this sucks. Okay. Cut.